Hi, I'm Tony with Rainbow Restoration, and today we're breaking down the two main types of smoke damage that we see after a fire: synthetic smoke and protein smoke. Understanding the difference can help you grasp why professional cleanup is so important. Synthetic smoke comes from burning man-made materials like plastic, vinyl, and synthetic fibers. It creates a thick black smoke and a sticky residue that clings to walls, ceilings, and contents. If not cleaned properly, it can cause permanent staining and carry strong chemical odors. It can also create etching on metals. Then there's protein smoke. Usually this is from kitchen fires like burned meat or grease. Almost invisible to the naked eye, but don't let that fool you. Protein smoke leaves a thin, hard to see film on surfaces that carries a pungent odor that can penetrate paint, cabinetry, and appliances. Both types of smoke require specialized cleaning and deodorization to fully restore the property. Now, if you have experienced a fire, no matter how small, call us today. We'll assess the damage and create a professional restoration plan to get you, your home or business back in a pre-loss condition. Remember, Rainbow Restoration, and you can also find us on the web at rainbowrestores.com/Dickinson. Have a great day.